today I have the unboxing of the entire Lizzie McGuire Colourpop collection. Yes, you heard me correctly. Now, I am just dying to dive right into this because I got this like 2 or 3 days ago and I did not have a chance to film this unboxing because I had another unboxing that was long overdue, which was the Dirty Dancing entire makeup collection as well by Solo Look, so you guys could check that out. But I'm like really desperate to dig into this box because first of all, look how beautiful this is. And you guys should know this by now unless you're new here. My obsession with the early 2000s, the 90s, you know, the old days when everything was amazing and just superb and the shows were just awesome. I mean, those were the days and I wish they could come back because I miss my childhood. And I mean, I never let that slip from me though. I still stayed in the same mindset. I just love my old TV shows. And when I saw this, my sister sent it to me on Instagram, the post, and I was like, Lizzie McGuire, I'm not missing that collection. And I didn't miss it and I was so happy. And this is a cute little card that comes in here. It says, thanks a latte, more like thank you guys, because this was amazing. My brother surprised me and treated me to the entire collection, so I was so happy about that. Look at the cute little card. That's super cute. So now, let's dive right on in. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Ugh. Look at that. You guys don't know how much I'm obsessed with Lizzie McGuire. You really don't. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll probably get, you know, the gist of that. So let's see. I hope nothing is broken because sometimes my the mail person just throws things and runs away. So I don't know about that. So these are the pressed powder blush duos. So this one is called Delish. And let's see. This is stunning. I love the packaging. How cute is this? Oh, the blush is so pretty. Oh my. Ooh, it has a little mirror in there. That is super cute, guys. Cannot wait to use this. Oh my gosh, I have to do tutorials. I have to get busy and do tutorials for you guys because this is exciting. Okay, let's see. I'll put that over here. So the Dirty Dancing palette is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now, and the lashes that came with the set as well. And I'm also wearing the lippy. It's like a gloss, more of a gloss. It's so pretty. Came with the Dirty Dancing set, like I said already. And I can't even speak. Oh, Sam. But yeah, I didn't use this makeup collection yet, obviously, because I wanted to show it to you guys first. But now I'm digging in. And this blush is called You Are Magnifique. How cute is this? Let's see. I love the packaging, guys. The tie-dye and everything. Oh, this is pretty too. Oh my, I love the flower designs and everything. Super cute and super early 2000s. I love this so much. And now for the glosses. Oh, these are super cute. Oh, lip gloss. I used to love lip gloss so much, and then matte lippies came out and the liquid lips and stuff, and I would use those. But I mean, I still love my lip gloss. I mean, who doesn't? I love lip gloss. It's so fun, and it just reminds me of my childhood, guys. And they really outdone themselves with this. So cute. So this one is called Dear Diary Plumping Gloss Duo Lizzie and Miranda, and the other one is called Seriously Cool Plumping Gloss Duo Ethan Kraft and Gordo. How cute! And the shades are so cute. I love the glitter. How many times am I going to say cute? Let's count. But yeah, adorable, gorgeous, magnifique. I just love this so much and I cannot wait to do some tutorials for you guys and experiment myself. I mean, how cute is that? Alright, now we have 4 more things left and I'm pretty sad, but this is an amazing collection. I did not use it yet, so obviously I cannot give you guys a full-on review, but I just want to show you what it looks like. It's so pretty, so cute, aesthetic. It reminds me of when I was a little girl, and I just love this so much because even though Lizzie ended and stuff like that, I never ever left that phase. I never left the old Disney Channel phase, and I would watch them on YouTube and stuff, and thank God for Disney Plus because I'm 27 years old and I still binge these shows as if they just came out yesterday, and they still make me feel the same way and they make me so happy. What was that? Okay, that was so weird. Okay. Anyway. But yeah. And then this is the, what is this? The glitter. Sing to me, Paolo. And I just watched this last night. Nostalgia, nostalgia, nostalgia at its finest. Ooh. This is so pretty. It reminds me of the Bratz glitter. Oh my. This is so cute. Literally obsessed. I love that. I live for that. That's amazing. I love the packaging too. It really did amazing on this. I'm surprised that it didn't sell out. However, it's because probably, I mean, I see a lot of reviews and stuff and people said it's probably because, you know, nobody really knows who Lizzie McGuire is. In this day and age, I don't know if that's a good or bad thing because it's like, it makes me sad. But at the same time, it's like, at least this was a collection that I got to snag right away. I literally signed in 12 minutes early. I sat there, I think it went live like a minute or two early and I just like checked out, had everything ready to go and I was like, yes. But I mean, it's still there, I think. So if you guys like it, go on ahead and get it. And then this is the other glitter little thingamabobber and it's called, where is it? Get a Grip. And it's so pretty and sparkly. This really reminds me of the Bratz glitter. Oh, it smells like it too. It smells like that glitter. I don't know that smell. How do I describe it as? Oh man. Do you guys remember the body glitter and stuff? I still do that sometimes. I used to like roll that all over myself. Oh, that was so fun. Those were the days. Glitter in your hair and everything. Butterfly clips, which I still have as well. Good old days. And this is the Bubblegum Pop Lip Scrub. How cool is that, guys? I cannot wait to use this. Oh, Lizzie's on there. I want to smell this. How do you open this? Oh, whoopsies. Oh my god. That smells like Hubba Bubba or... I'm about to eat this. It smells like that mouthwash too that little kids have, the bubblegum one. Yeah, no. I don't want to mess that up. That smells delightful. Okay then, I cannot wait to use this. Probably should try some tonight. But let's see. And now the palette. It is so cute. Look at Lizzie. She's so cute. Oh. Okay. Are you serious? I cannot open this palette. Wow. Okay. What dreams are made of. Oh, this is pretty. My sisters got a palette as well. I got the whole collection, but they only got the palette and they have been using it and it looks so cute on their eyes. So I cannot wait to try this out for myself and see how it is. But this is adorable. It's so pretty. The shades are Bye Bye, Police, Done and Done, Outfit Rememberer, Dear Diary, Cutie. Can you read that? Oh. Hello Fabulous, Don't Freak, So Mature, Outfit Repeater, and then Digital Beam. And I love this so much. Doesn't this just make you guys want to put on your butterfly clips, grab your hairbrush, and sing your jelly bracelets, silly bands, what else can I say? Your CD players, your lip gloss, you get the gist. That is the entire collection, guys. That was super cute. I'm so happy about this. Everything is so beautiful. Like I said, talk about nostalgia. So now we need Colourpop. If you guys see this video or you hear me, we need Xenon and That's So Raven. The Cheetah Girls would be so cute too because there's 4 of them and their personalities are different and they have different backgrounds and ethnicity. So that would be so amazing. And then Xenon, can you imagine the colors for space, like all the glitter, the purples and the blues and the pinks? Oh man, like that just sounds awesome. I would love to see that as well. Like I said, this is an old Disney girl right here. And if you guys grew up with this show, please comment down below. Let me know. Are you guys a 90s, early 2000s freak, fanatic, whatever you want to call it like me? Let me know down below. And what was your favorite show from your childhood? Do you guys even wear makeup? Will you be buying anything after seeing this video? Comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any more uploads of mine. And guys, Don't forget to catch up on my older videos. I have some newer videos coming. If there's anything else that you guys want to see, anything new, different on my channel, let me know down below. I'm always open to different ideas. I do have a Shein haul coming soon. I had one from before. I never did that for you guys. I have everything in a corner, and you guys know how much I hate that because I really want to use my clothing. But I also have another order coming in, so I kind of just want to do a combined haul. So I'm pretty darn stoked for that. So fingers crossed that it comes early so I could do that haul and have it up for you guys as soon as possible. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Why are you standing right here? All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight.